Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best electric bike kit in this video? I will show you the top 3 best electric bike kit to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected 350 watts 36 volts e-bike conversion kit. Specifications: brand name, Lithium e-bike. Voltage, 36 volts. Foldable, no. Wattage, 251 to 350 W. Power supply, lithium battery. Range per power, 10 to 30 kilometers. Motor, brushless. Max speed, 30 to 50 kilometers per hour. The item number 2 is 36 volts 500 watts e-bike conversion kit. Specifications: voltage, 36 volts. Foldable, no. Wattage, 351 to 500 W. Power supply, lithium battery. Wheel size, 20 inches 24 inches 26 700C. Max speed, 30 to 50 kilometers per hour. Motor, brushless. Frame material, aluminum alloy. Range per power, 31 to 60 kilometers. E-bike battery, 36 volts 10Ah lithium battery. E-bike display, LCD display. On the top of our list at number 1 we have e-bike conversion kit. Specifications: brand name, Passion e-bike. Voltage, 48 volts. Design, brushless. Wattage, greater than 400 W. Motor type, brushless non-gear hub motor. Electric wheel power, rear hub motor. Rear motor max speed, 600 RPM. Corresponding controller, 1500 watts.